Hey everybody, Uncle Vinny here, getting ready for Health Chat with Dr. Nick. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Hey everybody, it's Monday night. I'm Dr. Nick Circolone. You're listening to Health Chat. I have to tell you, I stopped working out about 10 minutes ago and I figured, you know what? I'm going to do the show right after I worked out. Today was legs and back day, which means I was doing pull-ups and I was doing my legs. Now, as Uncle Vinny would say, don't forget leg day. Like, how many times have you gone to the gym, seen these big guys, and they got these little legs? Because they're forgetting leg day. If you guys are working out, don't forget leg day. Don't skip things, because if you start skipping things, you're going to start skipping your whole routine. Now, I got to tell you, I was thinking about this. That's why I wanted to do the show following my workout. Let me tell you something. My knees started bothering me. My shoulders started bothering me. My neck started bothering me because I'm not used to these workouts. Am I going to quit because I have a little ache and pain? Heck no. I am not going to do that. What I do recommend is that you find a good massage therapist, you find a good chiropractor, and you find a good medical doctor. That way, they're going to be able to keep you straight, keep you healthy, and make sure that you're able to exercise way into your late years. My goal, if you've been listening to the show, my goal is I want to be able to work out until I can't work out no more. But my goal is I want to still be able to do one-handed push-ups when I'm 80 years old. That's right, I could still do one-handed push-ups. If you're in my age bracket, 58 into your 60s, let me tell you something. You know what one-handed push-ups are. Because when we were younger, what did we watch? Rocky. Rocky was doing one-handed push-ups. We had to do one-handed push-ups. Let me tell you something. I've been seeing some of these young kids. These guys don't have it at all. Some of them are on the football team. They're big guys, especially the guys in my youth group at church. They're kind of little marshmallows is what they are. They can't even do a push-up. The girls are better doing push-ups than they are. They're out of shape. They think they're in good shape, but they're out of shape. So why is a 16, 17, 18-year-old guy out of shape, 15, 16, 17, 18-year-old girl out of shape? Couple of reasons. Number one, they're not exercising. Number two, their diet's terrible. I mean, they can wolf down 20 hamburgers, eat 2 big pizzas, and still go strong. But they're marshmallows. They have no strength. They have no body strength whatsoever. I mean, if you have them do squats or you have them do push-ups, they can't do it. I have a 74-year-old aunt, still works out every day. Every day this woman's working out, doing exercising. She's doing yoga. She's doing weight training. 74 years old, and she looks great. My idol. I want to be able to do that. So no matter what age you are, there is no reason why you can't work out. I'm going to tell you a quick story. Love stories, you know that. I had a patient, she was 85 years old, had been retired for a while, and I asked her, how do you look so good? And she did. She looked really good. She was 85 years old. She looked maybe late 60s, early 70s. And I said, what do you do? She says, I work out 3 days a week. So all she did was work out 3 days a week. I'm like, are you kidding me? 3 days a week? And you look fantastic. So I said to her, have you been working out 3 days a week your whole entire life? She goes, oh no. She said, I was a couch potato until I retired at 65 years old. 20 years she's been working out and exercising 3 days a week. And she was staying healthy. She was on no medication. She wasn't not able to do exercise. She wasn't able to go shopping. She was not able to drive. She was able to do all of these things that she could do when she was younger. And she exercised 3 days a week. So guys, what I want to tell you, and like I said, I'm worn out from my workout, but I wanted to get on and talk to you about this. You guys need to make that decision. It has nothing to do with willpower, okay? This has nothing to do with willpower. It has to do with determination. You have a choice. Either you're going to be a couch potato or you're going to be healthy. But basically that's it. That's the decision that you have to make. And that's what makes that determination in you move forward. Something that's going to be extremely painful will get you motivated to do the things that you have to do, not willpower. I will tell you this, you can have willpower not to have donuts. You pass by a donut and you go, man, that really looks good. You pass by the donut 2 times, man, that looks really good. The 3rd time, you're eating the donut. You can't stay away from that stuff. You have to be determined. How am I going to be? Am I going to be a couch potato and unhealthy? Or am I going to be healthy? I want you guys to choose healthy. I want you guys to choose good foods. I want you to choose a good exercise program. And when I say a good exercise program, I'm talking about a program that you're going to stick with. I'm not talking 6 weeks. I'm not talking 8 weeks. I'm not talking 90 days. I'm not talking 120 days. I'm talking a lifetime. Find something you enjoy doing that you can do way into your senior years. Because I will guarantee this, barring any major diseases, you guys will stay healthy. You'll be able to do more things, and you'll be able to do them with excitement, with pleasure, with enthusiasm. I'm going to tell you what. I have a young grandson. I want to be able to do things with him. I don't want to sit on a couch and just watch him play. I want to play with him. That's my motivator. My motivator is my family, and I want to live a long time to watch them grow, flourish, expand, and prosper. Now, those are my goals. You have to find your own goals in order for you to make those decisions. It's simple. You got a choice. Either you're going to do what's going to make you live longer, or you're going to do things that may cut your life short. Now, real quick story, funny joke. I always tell funny stories. There was this young, old guy sitting on the steps of his house, and he lived on a major road, and he would wave to people every day. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? And his neighbor would see him every day, morning and night, waving to people as they're going to work and coming home from work. So one day she said, you know what, I'm going to go over there. So she made a big batch of cookies, and she brought it over to him, and they're sitting there, and they're chit-chatting. And she says to him, she says, you know, you look fantastic for being retired. She said, it's amazing how much you get around and you do well at your age. He said, what's your secret? He said, well, I don't eat anything that's green. I love bacon. I love eggs. And let me tell you something else I really enjoy eating is anything that has processed stuff in it. If it's processed, it's good for me, because if it's processed, I'm going to live longer because I'm going to have all of those preservatives in me. And she goes, that's amazing. I thought you had a good diet. You did, you ate good, you exercised. She goes, how old are you? He goes, 25. What I'm saying is, what we do with our bodies can affect the way we look, can affect the way we act. And that's what I don't want from you guys. So here's a tip. Starting today, whether you quit your diet, whether you quit your exercising, now's the time to start it again. Every time you quit something, you know what that means? You can start it back again. So I encourage you, get back to working out. Get back to eating right. Get back to living your life, because it's not only going to keep you moving, it's going to keep you healthy, it's going to keep you happy, it's going to keep your stress level down, and we're built for mind-body experiences. So take care of your body, take care of your mind, and take care of your spirit. Guys, have a great week. We love you. We'll see you next week.